Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase or decrease the volume of the voice guidance on Google Maps. So this is a very simple video. If it has been helpful, please like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. It really helps me out. So what we can do is you can see I'm on Google Maps on my iPhone right now, and in the top right there is like a profile picture for my YouTube account. Click in there, that's My Tech Mastery YouTube account, and what we can go to is the settings icon at the bottom, near the bottom of the page. So the gear icon, then it says settings, click in there, and then the first option is navigation. Go in there, and then we have basically at the top sound and voice settings, and then you go down to the third option, the guidance voice. And we can add, it's currently on normal, so it's a normal volume level. But if you wanted it to decrease and be a lot softer, you could press the softer option. Or if you wanted to increase the volume and hear what Google Maps voice guidance is saying, you could go to louder, and it should be a lot louder for you. So anyway guys, if this video has been helpful, please like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. And if you do have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Thanks.